Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is the Skilla, and right now me are keeping up to date with a video footage or two video footage of the whole rope cop killing with a protest we're going in Spanish Town right now in aid or for the man that is called Sheldon Daly, aka Junior Biggs. You see me I say? The people them says injustice and all these things, and them want, you know, justice for Wagwan. Anyways, you don't know. If you like how I present the video to you, let me know. And to stay up to date, or if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Protest. John's Road block off. And kill Junior Biggs. People them a protest. So go on. More of them come be a police or superintendent. Think about 8 of them there now, inspector and superintendent. The crime in idea is it. Alan.
Yeah, on John's Road that are going, you know? So I go on. Yeah, big.
Road block. Yeah, place that turn upside down again.